as Jason is in his photo. And then we're going to hear from Meredith Bostrom. So Dr. Bostrom will be taking you on a virtual tour of the genomics lab. Dr. Kevin Nagy will be taking us through the metabolomics lab. And then we'll have what we think is a pretty exciting extension to the collection of the samples. So this is the launching of our Discovery MS. Not only is it a website, but it's also a resource for the participants to keep up with what's happening with the research itself. But it marks a new entity for us, a new phase of raising funds, raising awareness for continuing on with our research with the individual samples. And then Dr. Sabrina Cote, awesome senior research
industry partners and non-for-profit organizations. The DHMRI is located in the $100 million state-of-the-art core laboratory building. The DHMRI is a contract research organization, and we have cutting-edge technology in genomics, bioinformatics, analytical sciences, and in vitro sciences. The DHMRI Genomics Laboratory processes all types of samples for genomics analysis, plants, animals, and human samples. We look at both DNA and RNA
would represent a different metabolite. So we're essentially looking at all these different metabolites and trying to understand how they change if you have MS or as you're in different progressive stages of MS. How do these metabolites change? And the goal is you have very complicated data that might look something like this, a crazy map of different colors.
First foundation donation to Discover MS. I am a board member of the J. Cox Family Foundation, and we have decided that this donation is $8,000 per year donation.
Every person's experience with it is different, so there's a wide array of symptoms that a person can experience depending on where in the brain and the spinal column the lesions occur. It's a disease of complex progression, so there's 3 main disease types. So we have relapsing remitting.
Next. And then we follow them forward in time on a yearly basis. And what we're looking for is the development of disease or progression of disease over that time.
In 5 of the 6 cases, the SNP that causes, that is associated with higher risk of multiple sclerosis is associated with lower levels of IL-10.
And what we're trying to do is we're actually trying to collect those fragments of the MS experience, collect it together to create the most comprehensive picture of MS.
Very grateful that we got involved with him a number of years ago and the exciting work that he's doing over here.